So what we have here is a variety of paper. We can use some scrapbook paper, some gift wrapping paper. This is a bag of magazine and calendar pages from 2019, and just some notebook paper as well. Any of those should work. We want to use a piece of paper that's a little bit more narrow and rectangular in shape, but you can definitely experiment with something a little bit wider. The result is gonna be where a shirt probably more square versus a shirt that's more narrow. So let's experiment. So take your paper long way, and we're gonna go ahead and fold it in half, and we're gonna just kind of press the end here, making a little tiny crease, and we're just marking the center really. Then go ahead and open back up and take the right flap and fold it toward the center where that crease you just made, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So make sure you get those creases, and go ahead and take one of the ends, and we're going to fold it back a little bit, maybe half the size of the thickness of your pinky. I'm going to fold it back twice, and what that is actually going to be the collar of your shirt. Then we're going to flip it back over, and we're gonna take one of those corners and fold it in, pointing the center like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the bottom of it, and we're gonna flip it up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to tuck it in that underneath those collars there, like so. And once you get that tucked in, go ahead and press down on the bottom to get that crease. Now we're missing something, aren't we? That's right, we need some sleeves for that shirt. So we're gonna open it back up, and we're gonna go ahead and fold out of the bottom shirt, like so, and then just flip it back up, and there you have it. Let's do it again. This time we'll use a different rectangular. So again, we're gonna get those center marks. And then we're going to go ahead and fold the left and right flaps toward the center. And then we're going to take the end and we're going to fold it back twice. This again will create the collar. I'm experimenting here and making a slightly bigger collar. So you're going to go ahead and bring down those corners. This paper is a little bit thicker, so, but you know, it's nice to experiment. And we're going to fold the bottom up, tuck it in the collar. Once you tuck it in, go ahead and press down on the center. And then don't forget the sleeves. So you're gonna reopen back up, and then go ahead, fold out the corners to get those sleeves. Once you get the crease, fold it back up, tuck it back in, and that's pretty much it. You got two different sizes here. Don't forget to experiment.